Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get the spark face filter on TikTok. If you're unaware of what that looks like, it just looks like this right here, where basically sparks come out of your nose, eyes, and mouth. And all you have to do to get this filter is you just head over to TikTok and open that up. Then I want to just search for here is just spark face. And then you just click on videos, and you just want to find a video that's using that filter. So this first one right here. Once you find the video above the person's username, you can click on the little yellow link, and then you'll be able to add that to your favorites and be able to share the video whenever you would like. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with getting this filter. If it was helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.